Today's video covers FreeCAD versus Rhino, two popular 3D modeling software options. Choosing the right tool can transform your design workflow without unnecessary complexity. We'll briefly explore their key differences and strengths. FreeCAD and Rhino serve 3D modeling but differ in approach. FreeCAD is open source with parametric modeling, while Rhino is a commercial product focused on precise noob surface modeling. This core distinction shapes how each fits different user needs. FreeCAD is a free open-source 3D CAD software designed for parametric modeling, allowing users to modify designs easily by adjusting parameters. It supports a wide range of engineering and architectural workflows with tools for part design, assembly, and simulation. Its modular architecture lets users add features through plugins, expanding its capabilities. FreeCAD uses parametric constraints, making it ideal for iterative design and projects requiring frequent updates. Strengths include cost-effectiveness, strong community support, and flexibility across disciplines. However, FreeCAD's interface can feel less polished, and performance may lag with complex models compared to commercial alternatives. It's best suited for hobbyists, students, and professionals focused on mechanical design or those seeking a customizable, budget-friendly option. Rhino is a commercial 3D modeling software centered on NURBS-based surface modeling, offering precise control over complex curves and surfaces. It excels in industries like industrial design, jewelry, and architecture, where detailed surface work is essential. Rhino's interface is user-friendly and supports extensive plugins, including Grasshopper for parametric design workflows. The software handles large models efficiently and supports a wide range of file formats, making it highly compatible with other design tools. Rhino's strengths lie in its precision, versatility, and strong community of professional users. Limitations include a higher price point and a steeper learning curve for beginners unfamiliar with NURBS modeling. Rhino is ideal for designers and engineers who require advanced surface modeling and are willing to invest in a professional-grade tool. Comparing FreeCAD and Rhino highlights trade-offs between cost, precision, and workflow. FreeCAD's parametric system suits projects needing frequent revisions and budget constraints, making it great for engineering tasks and learning. Rhino offers superior surface modeling precision and handles complex shapes smoothly, fitting industries like product design and architecture. While FreeCAD is open source and flexible, it may struggle with very detailed or large-scale models. Rhino's commercial license provides polished tools and better performance, but at a cost. For collaboration, Rhino's file compatibility is broader, while FreeCAD's community-driven development means updates can be less predictable. Ultimately, the choice depends on your project requirements, whether you prioritize cost-effective parametric design or professional-grade surface modeling. FreeCAD is recommended for budget-conscious users and those focused on parametric modeling with flexibility, especially in mechanical and engineering design environments. Rhino is ideal for professionals needing advanced surface modeling and precision, particularly in design and architecture. Investing in Rhino means access to a powerful, versatile toolset that handles complex projects efficiently. Choose based on your specific workflow and project demands for best results.